So today we are going to start coding our application, the ChatGPT clone. And in here you can see I'm in OpenAI.com website here because OpenAI, that is the company that owns the ChatGPT, and other models that uses AI to enhance the technology that is. So this is their website here, and you need to go here into their API because we are using their API, which it looks similar to ChatGPT. So open here, and you need to have an account to them. You can sign up for free, and I think I already have an account. So I just click here login so that I will be taken into my account. That is, so let it load, and then we can log in. So I'm using Google here. So let's see what it will give us. So I'm using my account, my personal account that is. So let us sign in and then look at how we can generate our API key that we'll be using in our program. So, and it is taking a lot of time here. So after you have logged in, you can see here you have your account, and if you look at the top right here, you see your account, and mine is saying personal, but we don't need to know everything here. Just only need to come here, and then if you click here, you can see view API keys. So click on that, and here you can see have already created some few API key, and what you need to do is to click this create new secret key here. So if you click here, it will generate for you an API key. Right now I don't want to create this secret key here because I want my account to remain secure, and I don't want anybody else to use my API key. So these are two API keys, and I'm using one of them in our project. So after you have done that, you can now come here, and after you have created your API key, you need to come here to documentation now. In here, in documentation, now you need to start learning about this OpenAI APIs. So you can see step by step on how you can use their model. Like right here, you can see we have text completion, and right now, because we'll be using text completion, you can click on this, and then you can learn more about this text completion. We have code completion and also image generation. So you can come here and learn about this text completion, and also they will have added the snippet for the code that you should use, and you can see how this text completion work. So this is one of the functionality that ChatGPT has, and you can just scroll down here, go to code completion, and you can learn more about code completion. So you can just scroll down and you see what it entails here. So other thing is editing code and image generation, fine-tuning, moderation, rate limits, and error codes. So we don't have to go through all this. You need to go here and learn for yourself, because I don't want to make this video very long, but you need to learn about this documentation because this is the one that we'll be using. So after you have done that, now we are okay. Now we can go to the next video. So let me see you in the next video where we start learning coding this application.